Hello, welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another Starline call alert system on a Defender. Customer was paranoid about relay attack, JLR module, CAN interruption and so forth. So we're going to show you how it works. Thief jumps in the vehicle, starts the vehicle up. Vehicle starts. As soon as I put it into gear, the vehicle cuts out, and if you watch carefully, I've got the customer next to me, you'll see his phone is about to ring if we have reception. So there you go. It's actually calling him now. So now if he just answers the call, so it doesn't go to answer phone, and kills the call. So this is how it basically works. So now every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, standard procedure, start the vehicle up, insert his code, which we're going to change after this video. So 1, 2, 3, receive our confirmation melody, select a gear, drive away. If you want to get one of these fitted, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company, 02890604780, 02890604780. Thank you, bye bye.